Hey, what up you guys? So I wanted to share with you what I have ordered from Grove Collaborative, and I received this ginormous box from Grove Collaborative. I'm gonna leave a link down below if you guys are interested. You get, I believe, 5 items for free on your first purchase. So I want to first start off by saying, look how cute is this duct tape that they used. How stinking cute is that? And the colors is all me. Let's just jump right into it, shall we? So everything so far seems packaged very well with all this bubble wrap. The first thing I see is you get this card, but I must have sliced into it with my scissors when I was trying to open the package. So it says, "So happy to meet you. Have a wonderful day, Alexandria. Healthy, beautiful home." Look how beautiful this card is. I can totally frame it and use it because these are my colors, especially that teal.
And inside, should I read this to you guys? On behalf of Grove, welcome to our community. I'm thrilled to introduce myself as your dedicated Grove guide. I'm here to ensure you have an amazing Grove experience. Please reach out to me via email or text if I can help you in any way, or if you just want to say hey. Your happiness is my priority. I will always respond as quickly as possible. Thank you for choosing Grove. I'm excited to support your journey in maintaining a healthy, beautiful home. A bit about me. I'm a Kansas native who has completely fallen in love with San Francisco. I am obsessed with eliminating toxins from my life and helping you do the same. In my free time, I'm always planning my next travel adventure, reading, practicing yoga, and hanging out with the trees. And then her information is down below.
This is super cool. Okay, so I'm going to be keeping this because I love it, and I love how she spoke about herself a little bit. So the first thing I see here, you get like a packing shipping label, and then it also says like everything that's inside of it. I forgot what I got for free. If I don't remember, I'll just leave it down here and I'll... So the first thing I see here is the walnut cellulose scrubber sponge, and you get 2 sponges in here. And if you guys hear construction, they're building a building in front of my home, so that's what that noise is. And yeah, so you get 2 of them, and you get the sponge part and then like the scrubby sponge side, and it's like all natural coloring. Love that. This I know I got for free. This is the eucalyptus flower sack. It's 100% organic cotton, and this is one of the free items. I'll just take it out the packaging just so you guys can take a quick look. Very nice. Ooh, look how beautiful this is. Look how nice, you guys. I absolutely love this. I think my mom will like this too. Mom, you gotta make an order. I absolutely love this. The other thing that you got for free, so I think you get 5 things free, I believe, was this cleaning caddy. And it looks like that. And let's take off the wrapping. It's white, it's like an oval shape. It has a cool handle with a wooden grip there. Super, super cute. I guess I can remove this, right? So how stinking cute is this? So you could just put all your cleaning supplies in here, and whenever you need it, you take it out underneath your sink and you carry it throughout your home and clean your home. How cool is that? This is the Method Antibacterial Bath Cleaner Spearmint.
Cleans bathroom surfaces, sinks, fixtures, tubs, glazed tile, toilet seats.
And then they put this tape on here to secure it that it won't, you know, spill during delivery. And yeah, and you get, oh, and it kills 99.9 household germs, cleans and disinfects. Let's just take a quick sniff. I like to smell things. Okay, oh, I like that. Spearmint. I love the spearmint gum. I got this for free, and this is a 28 fluid ounce. I think I got that for free. I don't know. I'll double check, guys. I'm so sorry. And for some reason, this doesn't tell you here. Again, with the tape holding it in place. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. This is a lemon verbena scent.
Multi-surface everyday cleaner removes dirt, freshens surfaces. It's 16 ounces.
Let's smell it really quickly because I want to smell it. Oh, okay. It smells so fresh. I love this. I cannot wait to clean with this. And this is safe for my animals because, you know, harsh chemicals can, you know, they have very small lungs and it can like suffocate them and kill them. Something like that. So, I'm so excited. Next thing is this dish soap, lemon verbena scent. And this is the dish soap, both Lala's. I'll leave their links down below. They purchased the soap dispenser dish brush set, and Oh god, I hope it's not broken. I'm scared. So this is how the box looks. It came in pretty good wrap, so that made no sense. Ah, it's good, it's good. I was really excited about this. In this box, it's called Bubble Up. Look, I got tape all over it. And you basically add dish soap, and then you go like this. And then it brings out the right amount in there, and then you clean with it. Look how cute. It has the little wooden, and look how adorable that looks. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is what sold me. When I saw Lala first haul it, Lala'd Land, I was like, I need it. Then I forgot to purchase it. And then I saw LalaBad video, and I was like, oh, I gotta get it. I didn't order it the last time. So I'm super excited to use it, and it says Grove Collaborative there. The next thing that I got for free, they still had the tape going around it, nothing spilled, good to go. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Peppermint Scent Hand Soap made with olive oil and aloe vera. 12.5 ounces. This is cool. Oh, my tissue fell. I'm really liking the spearmint scent. Oh, this one's peppermint. Oh. Anyway, peppermint smells good, and so does the spearmint. Ooh, I really like that. It smells like candy canes. Oh, it says a limited edition seasonal scent. So you're only gonna get this for the season. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And the last three things that I got, this all came together. And I have a thing for toilet paper, for Bounty, paper towels, and tissues. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, let me try it. Let me see what this is all about. So it says ultra soft tissues, 100% bamboo and sugar cane. You get 92 applies. Okay, this is cool. And I love the way it looks. Look how gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love this. I cannot wait to see how this is on my nose. Oh my god, yes. Look how cute. Guys. Then Mario. Oh, he would have fun with this too. Let me put that aside for him. Alright, you know what? Since I opened it, let's just take it out. Take a look. Ooh, feels nice. Okay, okay. Let's compare it to Dollar Tree. These are the Scotties, I think. Okay, okay. Alright. I think I like this. Let's put it in my pocket for later. So picked up the Ultra Absorbent Paper Towels. You get 2 jumbo rolls, 75 to apply sheets. 2 jumbo rolls equals to 4 regular rolls. So you can see in that picture right there. So I cannot wait to try that out. That's how they look in there. I love this, like, the look that they're going with. It's just absolutely great. Okay, the last thing is the ultra soft bath tissue, 4 jumbo rolls. You get 500 to apply sheets per roll. So 4 jumbo rolls equals to 12 regular rolls. That's what it says there. And that's how that looks there. So I am super happy about my order. I'm definitely going to be ordering again from them. I'm going to try out these products. I wanted to get the floor cleaner, so if any of you guys have tried any of the floor cleaners, let me know. I do not have wood floors. I just have regular floors. I have tiles in the kitchen and bathroom, and then all around my home I have, what is this called? Fake floor. This is called linoleum. It's like that carpet, fake wood. Anyway, that's what I have. Thank you, Lala'd Land and LalaBad, for putting me onto this. If you have tried Grove Collaborative, let me know what is your favorite item. Leave me some comments down below. Let's talk down there. And if you guys want to make an order, I'll leave the link down below just in case if you guys want to try it out. And I'm super excited. I'm really excited about this. My little cleaner. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I truly appreciate it, and I'll check you guys on my next video. Bye!
I gave him sunflower seeds, which are a treat for him, because he doesn't eat sunflower seeds on a daily basis, which that's his favorite. And I also gave him a paper plate, a Bounty roll, like the roll, so he could play with it. And that made him quiet for the first minute of me filming. So the little crinkling is because he's playing with this right now. Now they're going to give me words that I can't say. Cellulose. Get off my finger. Stay with it. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, you can't be giving me big words here. I'm so excited. You're going to go right here. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. Oh no, you're covering my sign. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Maybe I should just put it in here for safety purposes. This video is going to be dumb long. Put this in first. I'm a Okay, you go in there, you little bubble up dish sponge set. Super cute. Excuse me. Absolutely not. Look, I got this for you. You want this? I think he wants this. Hold on. He's chewing away on that piece of thing I gave him. I'm recording a video, bro. He's on it like a surfboard. Papa, what you doing? Yeah. Alright, you're not gonna let me do an outro? I have another piece of wood. I have another piece of thing. Look. Let's do an outro, shall we? I wanted the Myers. Why did I get the Method antibacterial? Anyway, that's fine. I like this anyway, but my mom likes that too. Okay. Let's try. Excuse me. Excuse me. Alright, Box. You're ginormous for no reason. Why should I do a thumbnail? Okay, hold on. I hope I recorded. Maybe I should redo this. I'm thinking about redoing this. Oh, you can't even see this. Should I take it out of the packaging? I'm so scared. Oh my god, he's tired.